Thank you, John. So finally, we are going to discuss Bitcoin. The bearish breaker scenario that I explained in a couple of the videos that we did in the last week is still in play. The bearish breaker extends from 40,794 to roughly 44,300. The last time we discussed this, I expected Bitcoin price to see some sort of rejection around the lower limit, but the breaker is still valid as long as the price does not close above the upper limit, right? So far, today's daily candlestick has receded and it's almost going into the negative territory. So if we see the rejection continue, then I believe we are going to retest this weekly support level here at 39,481, which is the first level of support. I don't think the support level here at 42,748 is gonna hold, but yeah, if we do lose this, we're eventually going to revisit the 39,481 level here, which kind of doesn't coincide with anything, but this particular red candlestick here is now a supply zone because the price broke the market structure that was performed here on Jan 13th, right? The swing high on Jan 13th was 44,439, but today Bitcoin produced a higher high. So there is a clear market structure break happening here, and that market structure break originated due to this particular supply zone. So this is a valid supply zone. So I believe we are going to see Bitcoin retrace to 38,895. So from the current position, this would be approximately 11.5% downswing. Right, yeah, exactly. So as we speak, the candlestick has almost turned negative. No, not almost, it has turned negative. So the upside for Bitcoin is kind of limited to roughly 49,500 because of the convergence of the 100-day and the 200-day moving average. They're eventually going to cross over. So I believe even if we do see some sort of an upswing, it's going to be limited to 49,500, and we're eventually going to see a retest of this, hopefully the supply zone here, ranging from 38,000 to 36,000. This is a conservative scenario, and if we are going to go full-blown bearish outlook, then the 34,752 support level has to be breached, in which case we're gonna see Bitcoin really visit the 29,100 support level here, which played a crucial role in the reversal of the Bitcoin downtrend anywhere between May and July, right? So there's quite a bit of liquidity resting below 29,100. So a sweep below this level is absolutely possible, right? So if we breach 34,752, a retest of the 30,000 psychological level, and eventually a dip to collect the liquidity resting below $29,100 seems likely. So to sum it up, upside for Bitcoin capped at 49,260, roughly 49,500. The downside could extend anywhere between 39,500 to $30,000. And so far, the bearish thesis is still intact. The bearish breaker that I just pointed out is still intact. And if we do get an invalidation of this and somehow manage to break through the cluster of these of this 100 and 200-day moving average, the bullish scenario wouldn't start until we get a weekly candlestick close above $52,000, right? I'm saying weekly because I want to have more credibility to that particular outlook. So a weekly candlestick close above 52,000 would be when I believe the bullish thesis will start, mainly because it's going to produce a higher high. So let me just, so something like this would eventually be met with a higher low compared to this particular low. And so, yeah, this would signal the start of an uptrend. A weekly close above 52,000 would signal the start of an uptrend, but a close below 39,481 and even 34,752, to be very precise, would start a move towards $30,000. So that's my take on Bitcoin. Let me stop rambling here. So yeah.